Hey guys, today we talk about Omoeon Dentures. These are snap-on teeth that promise a quick new smile at home with strong hold and no need for a dentist visit. I'll explain the main points, good and bad from real use, and if it's safe or risky to buy. Now, product overview and claims. So, Omoeon says these dentures use soft material that sticks to your gums well, look real, and lets you eat and talk easy. They claim strong suction, comfy fit, and even ADA approval. Well, when people open the box, it comes in simple, cheap wrapping. The dentures feel light and thin, like plastic toys. Actually, at first, they might stay in for a photo, but the hold goes away fast. They feel big in your mouth and hurt after a short time. Pros, very low price. Cons, slip when you talk or eat, cause sore spots, and look fake up close. Next step, legitimacy check. Now, before we dive into real results, let's quickly check if the website is trustworthy. Scam Advisor gives it 47 out of 100 and flags hidden owner info and very new site. Other tools say Gridinsoft gives low 11 out of 100, calls it suspicious. The domain is about 2 months old, which is young. Overall, it leans proceed with caution. Now, real user experience and reviews. Then, the real feedback. Trustpilot has almost no reviews, just 1 or 2 mixed or bad. YouTube and forums show people saying they're uncomfortable, slip a lot, irritate gums, and don't work for daily use after a few days. The pattern is consistent verdict. Overhyped, most people feel disappointed. So now, additional evidence and red flags. One key point, scam reports from places like malware tips and YouTube videos call it a dropship trick, with fake reviews and cheap knockoff stuff sent instead of good dentures. So, putting it all together, the cheap feel, bad fit and pain, medium-low trust score, young hidden sight, and many warnings, the picture clearly leans toward proceed with caution. My honest take, better not buy. It might save money short-term but cause more trouble. Talk to a real dentist for safe teeth. But at the end of the day, it's still up to you. Just remember to protect yourself and always use a secure payment method. That's about it for this review. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.